Okay, I bought this 7 months ago, and as you can tell, I've really been dying to try it. So, these are two hopefully fresh batteries. I don't know, they're kind of old. This is an antique flashlight. Antique. I found it in an old, like, emergency roadside car kit thing that was probably 40 years old. So anyway, we got this old eveready. It has a regular incandescent bulb in it already. Okay, now, it's the middle of the day, but as you can tell, it's not real bright. I think it's as bright as it ever was. So I'm going to try this LED upgrade that I got from the Big Orange store. This isn't much of a review. For all I know, they don't carry it anymore. But there's all the information if you're interested. Alright, I needed 2 hands for that. It's not on yet. Here's the moment of truth. I'm betting it's just going to be bluer. I don't know if I'm really impressed with that, but there you go. No, you know what? I am impressed, and you may not be able to pick it up on camera, but I think you can. This has more of a halo around it. It's got more of a widespread beam. So, yeah. I think that worked out. Unfortunately, you know, this didn't happen when I wanted it to. I paid like $11 for this thing, and I wanted to make a video on it right away. My videos only happen when I have a thing that I need to do. I needed to use this flashlight today. It's not bright enough. Crawling under the car with it. Decided to upgrade it. You know, so that's why that happened just now. I also wanted to know if these things are worthwhile, because I have a pile of old flashlights with incandescent bulbs in them, and I thought instead of replacing all my flashlights, maybe I could just replace the bulbs. Maybe.